Here's how to edit text in Photoshop. So here I have total 3 text layers. Now I'll show you how to edit text. First of all, from tool panel, select the text tool, or you can press T on your keyboard to select the text tool. Now highlight the text or line you want to edit. Now you can simply retype the new text just like this. Or you can highlight your text, and from here you can change your text font just like this. You can also change your font style. You can change your font size from here as well. And you can change your font alignment just like this. And to change your text or font color, click on this color box. And then you can go ahead and select a different color for the text. And then click on OK. And click on Done. Now select the selection tool, and you can move the text. You can enlarge the text as well. So that's how. Select the text tool, select the text you want to edit, and using this menu you can just go ahead and easily edit your text. That's it for now.